Welcome to Violin Adventures number 167. This week we got the cello set up in the white and played it. Also, we got some more work done on the old violin. So let's get into it. I also had some company and they also contributed to this episode. Well, we're going to start off right where we left off last week, which is working on our beautiful 1800s violin and getting this cello set up. So here we are, we're on the last step. I've got my sound post and that's all I have to do is fit this sound post. I've got my tools here. We're ready to go. Now we're back to getting this cello set up. So let's get the sound post in here. And hopefully I cut it at the right height. I'm thinking the cello is finally ready to sing. We got the strings on, we made some adjustment on the bridge, and took a while to get the sound post just right. But anyway, let's go hear it. This is our violin professor checking out the cello. We had just set it up an hour before, so it's brand new. And it has all its life to improve in tone. When it starts out good, it always gets better.
Oh, that's gonna be awesome. Oh, I think it's your best one.
I think it is.
Wow.
Yeah.
That is a monster. it's pretty strong.
Okay.
Sometimes you feel it like fight death, but every cello does it.
Work on the 1800s violin. We're going to get these clamps off, take down the cleats. Okay, we've got the cleats down. The next thing to do is to put in a bass bar. And I think I've used up my good extra wood here. So we're going to go into the wood room and see if we can find a good piece of spruce that has a lot of great tone in it. Well, it's a little bit dark in here. I hope you can see. But here's my little section of nice pieces of spruce that have nice, good, strong grain. And I'm just looking right here at this one. This says 1978. So that's over 40 years ago. But the grain here is really nice and strong and tight. So we might use that one. I'll check it. I was looking at this piece of wood and look at that. I already wrote good on it. We'll go ahead and cut a bass bar out of this one. It's time to take the clamps off of our beautiful 1800s violin. We did have a storm, but it was just rain. Lots of rain, which is nice, but now it's very cold. In the 30s right now during the day, so keeping warm inside. Our beautiful bass bar, all shaped and tuned up. So the next thing to do is to seal this top and protect the wood. So I'm going to pick from my nice Hake brushes. Okay, I'm taking a good look at this back, getting it cleaned up on the inside, and getting rid of all that epoxy that was along the edges, kind of pushing little globules of epoxy all over. One major problem with epoxy, not only is it bad for the wood, but that creates a separation between the pieces of wood so that it stops the vibration. So you need to have these pieces touching wood to wood with nothing in between. So I've got my gavel out, hide glue only. I really like this. It has a good, strong, authoritative sound. Looking at this back, while I was cleaning it, I see that this lower block is cracked in 2 places. So we're gonna have to remove this lower block. The upper block looks really good. So out comes the lower block. So here's our lower block, and I already took some off, but here's the crack. Here and here. And you can see it goes across here, 2 cracks there. So we're gonna just chip that all out and put in a good new block. The nice thing is there's no worm damage so far. Okay, we got the old block out here, and we're gonna put the new block in. All right, we have another package in the mail, and this is an instrument coming to get repaired. So let's see what it is. This is a beautiful old mandolin. That looks awesome. So we're gonna get this repaired. We're gonna put it on our waiting list we have. So we'll be starting this probably in a month. We're a month out, but look at how beautiful that mandolin is. Okay, thanks for sending this repair. Oh wow, I can feel the neck is loose. Okay, we're gonna take the clamps off of this lower block. Okay, we're ready to close up. We've got our label in. We've also got beats on the inside here with a new bass bar. We've got a nice full tone. So now we've got our hot hide glue, and we'll get this diluted a little bit and ready to close up the top. Freddie wants to chat.
Hi everyone, I'm Freddie, and my cousin came to see me. He is 10 years old. Oh wait, he's gonna have a birthday in a couple days. But he came to the shop and he made a video and he wanted to put it in Freddy's corner. So here it is. doing that. And hi to all my friends out there. Don't forget to send in your videos of all your projects or your pictures. And have a great week. Bye.
The Hebrew Minute. Va'ani yadati ga'ali hai va'acharon al afar yakom. I know that my Redeemer lives, and at the latter or at the last, upon the earth he shall stand. If you know where this is found, please leave it in the comments below. It's the end of the week. I didn't get a chance to go outside. It's pitch black dark now and very, very cold. So let's take a look around at the shop. Okay, here is the 1800's violin. It's all clamped up, and at the beginning of the week we'll get ready to set that one up. Okay, here we are in the showroom, and we have the cello in the white hanging out with all the other cellos. The plan is to play this cello for at least another week, and then we'll take it down and varnish it. So there it is, all finished. Well, thank you so much for watching, for all your wonderful comments, for your thumbs up, and to the new subscribers. Until next time, bye!